are going to love the 2020 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.